Today on FSP we're going to do a quick repair video, rather a replacement video for roll pins. This will be on the safety for the Girsan Regard MC. First, what you're going to need, obviously, roll pins, one that's the right size. Need punches, preferably right size as well. And your hammer. And a vise. Got the rubber bumpers so you don't mess up your paint job. Alright, after you lose it 5 times and finally get some pliers and flatten it a bit, you should have your light die on you and fail miserably. Alright, after you've dropped it 5 times and finally realize you need pliers, you have to flatten it a little bit. You should be ready for your install. I should make sure that arm is lined up in there and then finish driving it in. Maybe don't hit your rear sight. Check function, make sure everything still works properly. So there you go. There is no more wobble left. Good as new. Like and subscribe for future repairs or reinstallments. Check fit and finish. No more wobble. No more side to side wobble. Good as new.